In this video, we tell the trick of using 2 Fibonacci and their combination. So, this trick is more for triple wave. Here, we find the top and bottom of the first wave. Choose Fibonacci retracement. And from the top of the first wave to the bottom of it. Mark the 1.618% line, and then remove the Fibonacci. And now, we find the top and bottom of the second wave. Choose Fibonacci expansion. And from the bottom of the first wave to top of it. And finally to the bottom of the second wave. Mark the 1.618% line, and then remove the Fibonacci. And now we have a resistance area that is very important. The next example is the reverse. Here, we find the top and bottom of the first wave. Fibonacci retracement from the end of the first wave to the beginning of it. Mark the 1.618% line, and then remove the Fibonacci. And now, we find the top and bottom of the second wave. Fibonacci expansion from the beginning of the first wave to end of it. And finally, to the end of the second wave. Mark the 1.618% line. And then remove the Fibonacci. And now we have the support area that is very important. You can find triple waves by repeating and practicing this method, and be less risky in trading.